A family has been jolted into deep depression following the murder of a senior citizen on a no-movement day in St. Catherine. The nature of how the elderly woman was killed is raining talks of capital punishment for these types of crime. Javon Keys reports.
It's been 4 days since the quiet rural community of Cotton Peace in Uriton, St. Catherine was rocked by the vicious murder of an elderly woman. 75-year-old Anita Brown was found with her throat slashed Monday in her home. Her son, Glenroy Brown, says the family has gone into depression.
I'm still at a loss and I can't come to terms with what has happened. But my mother is a well-loved person and there's no reason why anyone or any individuals should have done something like this.
He told us that he recently took his mother to get vaccinated, assuming that this would be her protection against the deadly wave of COVID-19 infections. But someone took her life. Residents explain that the sparsely populated area would oftentimes get lonely, but they say the people around are close-knit. There was no forced entry to the home and nothing was visibly missing. The senior citizen, known as Annie B., lived alone and operated a shop. A family friend assisted her, but that person was reportedly not there when the attack took place. An emotional member of Parliament, Hugh Graham, visited the family.
Brutal, gruesome, it must be evil, it's beyond wicked. To cut somebody's throat is actually beyond normal, it's just unthinkable. It's really, I don't know what Jamaica, I don't know what we're coming to, I don't know.
He argues that crime against the vulnerable cannot continue without a defensive stance. 2 other senior citizens were murdered in 2 separate attacks in July. 82-year-old Doris Gordon was found with her throat slashed in Waterhouse, and a 90-year-old man was also killed in Drewsland.
I personally believe that is why we need capital punishment, either the needle, the chair, if we don't want to use a rope. Because I don't think that these things should continue to happen and we continue to sit idle by. We have a problem that we have to deal with. And if the big countries can't deal with their issues, we have to find a way to deal with our issues.
Our news team caught up with the head of operations of the St. Catherine North Police Division about the murder.
The investigation are ongoing and I'm satisfied, I'm certain that they are going in the right direction where we will make a breakthrough and that will lead to some arrests.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.